Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee at hotel room easy guide. Start by checking what supplies you have and the safety rules for hot water. Use a kettle, coffee maker, or microwave safely, and choose the right grind and water ratio. Measure about 2 tablespoons per 6 ounces of water, steep or brew for optimal flavor, then strain or use a filter. Enjoy your hot cup and tidy your station before leaving. Pick a brewing method based on what you found in the room and your taste. If there is a drip maker, rinse the basket, add grounds, and use fresh water for best results. For kettle and instant coffee, heat water to near boiling and stir thoroughly. For pour-over or French press setups, control grind size and steep times for fuller flavor. Clean up used grounds and rinse equipment before checking out. In hotels, water quality and temperature make a big difference, so use bottled water if tap tastes off. Aim for water just off the boil for most methods, and match grind size to your brewer. A medium grind suits drip makers, coarse for French press, and fine for espresso-style devices. Keep a standard ratio of 2 tablespoons per 6 ounces and adjust slightly to taste. Store ground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.